This is Exploring Our Universe, an HD special report. The Valles Marineris is the largest valley in the solar system. At almost 2,500 miles long, it would stretch across the United States. Seismic pressure from the giant Tarsus volcanoes to the west may have created the giant crack in the red planet. The Mars Global Surveyor Orbiter has been mapping Mars since 1998. The Jet Propulsion Lab in Pasadena, California has taken the mapping data and merged it with infrared imagery from the Mars Odyssey Orbiter. The result is this amazing fly-through of the Great Martian Valley. Valles Marineris is so big that the LA Basin would fit inside easily. The rim above the valley floor is as high as Mount Everest. The canyon is 10 times longer, 5 times deeper, and 20 times as wide as the Grand Canyon. Heading up a side valley, it quickly narrows, twisting and turning in a stream-like way. Geologists think it was formed as groundwater drained off the tablelands above. It's easy to see why they would think that. From high above, you can see many side canyons that all look like they were cut by cascading water eroding the canyon wall. The walls and ridges run into the distance. The valley was probably opened as massive earthquakes rocked the region billions of years ago. There are several larger side canyons, like Ophir Chasma. It's filled with deep rocky sediments, wind-carved ridges, and steep walls. Large landslides litter the floor of the canyon, evidence of collapsing walls. Our flight through Mariner Valley gives a short course in the geological history of Mars. Buried in the rocks of this Grand Canyon of the solar system is the key to the mystery of what happened on Mars and why it is the way we find it today. On future missions, we may get to explore and solve the mystery. A new spacecraft, the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, has just arrived at Mars and will begin to add new imagery and information to what we already know about the red planet. All of these missions are gathering useful information for an eventual human mission to Mars. Stay tuned for weekly mission updates in high def, only on Discovery HD Theater.